In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can alter existing staircases so they look slightly different. So we can see on this staircase here, we've got a spiral staircase, but it's not how it would normally be drawn when we use the Revit standard drawing. So how do we get to this? Well, it's very straightforward and nice and quick and easy. So I'm just going to go into a new project here, and in the architecture tab, go into stair, and I'm just going to choose this full step spiral and click once, and then as I bring it out I can choose how much of a spiral I want depending on the radius. Something like that would be fine for me. Then just going to green tick this and then go into the 3D and have a look. And this is pretty standard how Revit would draw it to start off with, but we can change this so it looks like the other one we had a minute ago. So to do this, just click on the staircase itself, and then we can use the edit type. So we can change, obviously, the materials it's made from. I'm going to stick with this private one, which is usually a timber-based one, and click edit type. And then when I'm in here, I'm just going to duplicate it. So I've got now a secondary private one. I always duplicate stuff so I don't end up altering any existing stuff that's there already. So once I'm in here, we can do things like get rid of these stringers. So if I go to stringer none on the right hand one, on the left hand one, go stringer none, and then hit apply, you can see that it's going to take it off. So now we're just left with this staircase looking like this. Doesn't look quite right. So we need to adjust it a bit more. So click on the staircase again, back into my edit type, and this time I'm going to add the middle support, the spine that goes up. So we've got this middle support here, which is this one here, and when I click that one and click apply, we can see that we've got this very small spine on the underside here. For me, that's not really big enough. It needs to be a bit deeper than that. So again, click on the staircase, back into edit type, and where we've got this middle support type which says carriage 50mm width, when I'm in here again I can duplicate this width 2, and then I can actually change the dimensions. So where I've got this structural depth on run, it's 150. I want to make it about twice as big as what it is at the moment, so I'm going to make that 300 and click apply and OK, and then apply, and then we can now see we've got this a lot bigger spine hanging down, so it makes more of a feature of it. The other thing I need to do is get rid of these risers when I'm on this staircase. So to do that, I need to go into the construction where it says run type, this point here, just click on there, and then the little box to the right hand side of it, and then I can get rid of the risers by unchecking the riser checkbox. Click apply and click OK. And if I just click apply and OK for now, we can have a look and see how we're looking. So we've got this staircase running around and it's moving up, looking quite nice. Whilst I'm here, I like to change the railings. I prefer the 900 pipes. Just seems to suit this staircase better. And so we've changed it from the standard staircase now into something a little bit more elaborate and a little bit more architectural, and just mix it up a little bit. So it's a good thing to play around with and see what you can come up with.